So remember this identity always, that whenever we'll add APC and APS, it will be equals to 1. It will be equals to 100%. And when we'll add up MPC and MPS, it will be also equals to 1 or 100% if we calculate in the way of percentage. Now, how can we prove that? If in your exam it is asked that you have to prove that APC and APS is equals to 1 and MPC and MPS is equals to 1, then what method you will apply to prove that? That I'm going to tell you. Everyone write this method in your notebook and send to me after the class. There are 35 students right now. I want 35 photos. Okay, the proving that I'm going to do. It is the mathematical proving, so be very clear. What we have to prove, for example, prove that, write it everyone. जैसे हम लिख रहे हैं ऐसे ही होना चाहिए कॉपी में, वरना एब्सेंट मार्क होगी जो हमें आज ये शीट नहीं भेजेगा. Prove that APC plus APS is equals to 1. All right. This is the first. For example, this is the question that has been asked in your exam. That prove that APC and APS is equals to 1. So we all know that what is APC? APC is nothing but C upon Y. That is consumption upon Y. So we will write that since APC is consumption upon Y, and what is APS? We all know that APS is equals to saving upon Y. Is saving upon Y. And when we will add up these two fractions, okay, so when the denominator is common, we take it as the common denominator by adding the fraction, and we all know what C plus S is. Okay, I have already told you that what C plus S is. I have told you that Keynes was of the opinion that C plus S, that is our consumption and saving, is equals to nothing but our income. Or writing in the other way, that income is equals to nothing but consumption plus saving. So we all know that C plus S is equals to income only. It is our income only. So Y upon Y, we have got both. The numerator is also the same, the denominator is also the same. So when the numerator and the denominator both are same, what is the answer? It is always equals to 1. If there is 5 upon 5, 6 upon 6, 10 upon 10, 2 upon 2, always the answer will be equals to 1. So this is how we have proved that APC and APS is equals to 1. So by seeing this identity that APC and APS equals to 1, we can conclude two more things. That अगर APC और APS को ऐड करने पे 1 आता है, तो 1 में से APC को माइनस करने पर क्या आएगा? APS आएगा, और 1 में से APS को माइनस करने पर APC आएगा. This is the simple mathematical rule that we have to do. Alright, अगर APC और APS को ऐड करने से 1 आता है, ठीक है, तो 1 में से APC माइनस कर देंगे तो हमें APS मिल जाएगा, और 1 में से APC माइनस कर देंगे, 1 में से APC माइनस कर देंगे तो APS मिल जाएगा, और 1 में से APS माइनस कर देंगे तो we will get our APC. You should know that. Then second, what we have to prove that MPC and MPS is equals to 1. We will apply the same method. What is MPC? MPC is nothing but delta C upon delta Y. So we will write it over here that MPC is delta C upon delta Y. And what is our MPS? MPS is nothing but delta S upon delta Y. MPS is nothing but delta S upon delta Y. And again we will see our both the fractions, the denominator of both the fraction is a common number. So when we will add up, we will get this denominator only. And we all know the change in consumption and change in saving. Okay, that means whenever our income changes, it is always devoted to consumption or saving only. इनकम चेंज होगी तो कंजम्पशन और कंज्यूम करी जाएगी या सेव करी जाएगी और कुछ थर्ड चीज नहीं करी जाएगी. So always your delta C and delta S will be equals to delta Y. So again we have got both common numerator and denominator, and since both the numerator and denominator are common, it will be equals to 1. Hence it is proved that MPC plus MPS is equals to 1, and again we will get these two conclusions that 1 minus MPC is equals to MPS and 1 minus MPS is equals to MPC. That means अगर हम 1 में से MPS को माइनस करते हैं तो हमें MPC मिल जाएगा और 1 में से MPC को माइनस करते हैं तो हमें MPS मिल जाएगा. It is just simple mathematical manipulation. All right.